Today, I'll show you how to create a new contact in Clio Manage. Whether you're setting up your contact list for the first time or adding someone new to your network, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you don't miss any important details. First, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts section. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a menu. Here, you should spot the Contacts option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all your client and company information is stored, making it the hub for managing your professional relationships. Once you're in the Contacts section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled New Contact. Click on this button to start creating a new entry. This action opens up a form where you'll input all the necessary details for the new contact. Next, you need to decide what type of contact you're adding. Clio Manage gives you two options, a person or a company. If you're adding an individual, select person. If you're adding a business entity, select company. Choosing the correct type is important as it determines the fields you'll need to fill out and how the contact will be categorized within your system. Now, it's time to type in the essential details. Start with the contact's name. If it's a person, you'll enter their first and last name. For a company, just input the full business name. Following that, you'll need to provide an email address. This is crucial for communication and any future correspondence. Then, enter a phone number. This ensures you have multiple ways to get in touch with your contact. As you continue, you'll see a section for billing info. This step is optional but incredibly useful if you need to set a default billing rate for this contact. If applicable, enter the rate you plan to charge for services rendered. This will streamline your billing process and help maintain consistency across your client records. After you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to finalize the process. Take a moment to review the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, look for the Save Contact button. Clicking this will add the new contact to your database, updating your records immediately. And there you have it. Your new contact is now part of your Clio Manage system. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add contacts, making it easier to keep track of your professional connections. Remember, maintaining an organized database is key to efficient client management and can greatly enhance your workflow. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a new contact in Clio Manage. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.